Guys, welcome to
Colorful Sisters.
So today we're going to be doing a vlog, and I'm using my tripod so it'll be less shaky. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and put on post notifications so you guys will be notified every time we post a video. Don't forget to comment, share, share.
I'm going to eat my top ramen. I'm gonna do a fake kiss.
And I can record some for you guys of us eating. But tomorrow we're going to drive and stuff and go on an oil change thing. So we just want to record for you guys because vlogs are really fun. And
yeah, they're fun to make.
And we just changed earrings. Mine are back to school little apples.
Mine are not back to school, but I really love these.
Wait, you guys can't.
There, you guys hold on.
We could bring it to the light.
Oh, there we go. You guys can kind of.
But yeah.
Bye guys.
Okay,
I'll
guys,
see you.
so we're about to eat.
Yeah.
So she's gonna eat. Imagine my phone fell in there. Okay. So I'll be eating some.
Your soup?
Okay, guys. So I have.
Make a soggy sandwich, guys. Okay, here we go.
No, I have garlic bread.
I don't want garlic bread. Okay guys, so now I'm eating.
Hi guys, so I dumped my phone in my spaghetti and now the speaker's weird. So you may or may not be able to hear me right now. Okay guys, so we just had to check my phone speakers. But yeah guys, as you know, my phone fell in the spaghetti. It's actually an accident. But guys, okay, I'll be going to bed now. Bye, see you in the morning. Yeah, what's up? Guys, it's the morning now and I have Jasper right here. She's biting on my shirt. But we're about to go eat and hey guys,
Yeah.
so I'm going to have a bagel and Ari is gonna have it's a sausage dish and she's right there. Can I say hi? Okay guys, so I'm already and dressed. This is kind of why I was saying this vlog is probably going to be mostly me. She's sitting here now, and she's in a mood, Ariel. And I don't know if I should change my hairstyle because I don't really know how I feel about it.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
So I'm ready to go. And I did this like brunch braid into the ponytail because like it was kind of late. But I have to wash my face now. My face care for the morning. Hey guys,
Hi guys.
so we're ready,
Yeah.
and I'm bringing my Poppet. You guys probably know what it is.
I'm bringing light up shot. And my
It's really good lighting out here. We could do a thumbnail out here. That's probably good. So we're waiting for our mom to pull out the car.
Yeah.
I love my earrings for back to school.
Oh yeah, I forgot about my earrings. So pretty.
Yeah, I changed them both yesterday for us. Well, our mom picked it out for us.
I want to show them car.
I know, same.
So pretty, and I want to show off to people.
Yeah. Mommy, you look so cool in there. No, she's a cool kid. Hi guys. So we're in the car now, and Mommy, look at that kid.
What the heck?
Is he coming back from school? Guys, so we're now at the dealership. Now we have to wait an hour of doing nothing.
And I'm thirsty, so that's great. And I kind of have to go pee.
No, you don't. Actually,
A little bit. And I have to be stuck here with no water.
did you use the lip tint?
Thank you so much. Really appreciate you.
And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating.
Don't worry, I'll take you out. Because I usually do, because you don't want you in it.
Because they won't. It's a dealership.
Start to change, but do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space. Girl, baby, it's you. Baby, it's true.
Okay guys, so we just got McDonald's. I got a McFlurry and water. And Arrow got water and french fries. She didn't want a McFlurry. But yeah. Okay guys, so vlog is only me because you're barely in it.
You're not getting a phone.
I know, but you're not asking at all. And you could also do it off your tablet and send it to me. So guys, right now I'm having my Oreo McFlurry and Ari's having her french fries, and then after, well, now we're gonna have a hot dog. It's so cold. Okay guys, so we really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Comment down below if you want more vlogs. We don't really know if you guys want more vlogs, but yeah, I'm gonna edit this and then post this for you guys, and comment down below more video. And comment down below more video ideas, because we love posting in quarantine, actually.
Okay, Liz. You guys
See ya.
make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And bye, guys.